हे गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल, दिस इज योर बॉय जीत। तो एक और नए वीडियो में आप सभी का स्वागत है। तो आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं एक और नया फर्स्ट क्लास का वीडियो बाय तन्मय भट्ट, टिंडर चैट रिव्यू पार्ट 2। तो देखते हैं पार्ट 1 आप लोग ने नहीं देखा तो यहाँ पे आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा और देख लेना। बहुत 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 अच्छा वीडियो था। तो देखते हैं कैसा रहेगा। ये वीडियो आए बहुत टाइम हो गया, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड था देखने के लिए। तो
Hello and welcome to another episode with Ryder. Hello. We have subscriber looking very nice today, subscriber. Welcome to the episode. We have a new panelist with us today, Vishal Dayama. Welcome, Vishal. We're going to call you advertiser because of all that brand money that you make writing ads. And lastly, we have Pavitra Shetty. Pavi, welcome. Pavi, what are we going to call you?
I'm humidifier.
Why?
Because मेरे आजू-बाजू सबके पसीने छूट जाते हैं.
And you're an adult? Anyway, welcome to the episode. Friends, today we are doing sponsored content for Tinder, but without Tinder paying me. So the whole purpose of this episode is, hey Tinder, pay me.
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
By the way, are you data scientists? Yeah, I am. I want to pursue the same. All the best. Hope you succeed. Arey, tell me how. That will cost you 500 a session for video call, 300 a session for voice call, 100 rupees for a topic with a job guarantee. It's a pretty civil conversation about education. Because समझ नहीं आ रहा ये क्यों है इसके अंदर.
मुझे समझ में तो आया but it will cost 500 for a session.
Yeah, exactly.
I would like to practice some of my penalty kicks with you. What the fuck does this even mean? I think what this means is that he wants to score, like penalty kick scoring.
Or it can mean she's a keeper.
Oh, wow! I think that's what it means, that she's a
That's what it
keeper.
means.
And Vishal, didn't you just get engaged, bro? Too early, bro. Too early.
I think ये विशाल ने ही भेजा है किसी को.
Show me where you want my cock buried.
Oh God. Oh भाई.
This is Tinder or Grinder.
Give me your Instagram. I'll ping you there. इधर तो समझ नहीं आता क्या बातें करूं. Tinder और Instagram बात तो कहीं भी नहीं करने वाली है. I only eat once during daytime and then direct dinner. Oh my god, how do you tolerate, yaar? I have developed habit. What is your blood group? O positive. Q? Okay, do you know O positive has high chance of getting stomach cancer, and when you remain starved for long period, more gastric acids will be secreted, leading to peptic ulcer and ultimately to cancer.
ये प्रैक्टो में भी टिंडर है क्या?
Hi, what are you on Tinder for? To sell vada paos. Question mark? Yeah, I have business in vada paos. I'm looking for sales assistant to sell them. Are you interested? Bye. So you're just here for sex, aren't you? That's true. People are forgetting the whole point of Tinder was to sell vada paos, dude.
इस प्रकार की बचकाना बातें किसी के गले नहीं उतरती, लोग मजाक उड़ाते.
What does a 27-year-old man and a 32-year-old woman usually do on Tinder? I'm not sure about the rules here. Well, rules are what we make. How about I tell you something I usually show with other people? Go on. I was going to call you beautiful, but beauty is on the inside and I haven't been inside you yet.
Oh my God.
I mean,
एक से तुमको क्या चाहिए? वड़ा पाव था, उसमें भी प्रॉब्लम है. इसमें डायरेक्टली बात कर रहा है वो काम की, उसमें
पिछला वड़ा पाव था, ये चटनी है.
alright, so where are you from? Siliguri. Alright, let me get my reservation in Brahmaputra Mail. By the way, no pictures? मन नहीं है फोटो लगाने का. So why are you on this dating platform without pictures? क्या सोच कर आए थे? मैच खुश होगा? शाबाशी देगा? दुनिया में कितने डेस्पो है देखने की है जो एनिमे को भी राइट स्वाइप करते हैं? पर ये एनिमे पे क्यों राइट स्वाइप करते हैं लोग?
अंधा राइट स्वाइप करते हैं ना लोग.
Yeah,
ऐसे.
टक.
ऐसे पर there are like apps which just swipe like 5,000 right swipes on something.
Why you
Bypass
know
भी तो होता
about
होगा
this,
ना.
Tanmay?
Next slide.
सर मैंने बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप में इन्वेस्ट कर रखा है दोस्तों.
Ah, that's why. I'm just curious about startups. You know, as dating industry is a $4 billion industry, right? So you have to keep up with the trends.
कल मैंने अपनी टिंडर आईडी बांग्लादेश में दे रखी है बच्चों को. स्वाइप कर रहा पूरा दिन बैठ के.
Hello, Nazim. How many? 9,000 today? Good. Keep it up.
जल्दी कर, नहीं तो शर्ट बनाने पड़ेंगे.
Studying an IT-related course. You? Pure chemistry. That's awesome. I tried telling a chemistry joke once, but I got no reaction. Haha, what's the joke? Maybe I might understand it.
नहीं यार. It's also pure dumb.
ओपन माइक ऑडियंस.
Roses are red. Modi is best PM. I want to write a poem to slide into your DM. Modi is best PM. This was something new. Laughing, crying, laughing. ये वाला कट जाएगा.
नहीं.
No. Facebook. Yes. Name? Priya Biswas. What is your actual name? Actually, I was a Christian. After marriage, become Muslim. So name has been Ching. You are married? Yes. How you know?
कौन है ये लोग?
Are you a waitress? Cause I'd give you more than just the tip. Ooh. Why would I be a waitress now? इसको समझा ही नहीं. इसको समझा ही नहीं. Did everyone understand this joke? I feel like not everyone understood this joke.
ये तन्मय भाई सिखा के मानेंगे, बता दो
मेरे को सिखाना ही है.
डिस्प्ले करके।
चैट में किसी ने बीजे लिखा है भाई. दिस इज नॉट दैट. छोड़ दो. इसीलिए भाई इंडिया में सेक्स एड की बहुत जरूरत है यार.
तन्मय भाई को एक और चैनल दिखता है।
हाय. तुम नहीं समझोगे अंजलि. सिर्फ हाय करने से कुछ नहीं होता. माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर.
This pickup line work.
ट्रू कॉलर पर दल्ला लिखा आ रहा है.
ओ बाप रे
ओ भाई
व्हाट
Aishwarya, this is a,
ट्रांजिशन
Aishwarya, you know, this is a scam, right? Dating app से बहुत सारे प्रोफाइल बनते हैं, like lady of the night type. Oh, you can WhatsApp for sexy pictures. तो उनको आप हाय भी बोलते हो ना, तो सीधा WhatsApp नंबर आता है. फिर आप WhatsApp करते हो तो 500 रुपए मांगते हैं. Say, oh, we'll show picture, etc. तो इस बंदे ने उन्हें ट्रू कॉलर पर दल्ला लिखा आ रहा है.
I thought he's just being rude.
No, he's being hilarious. Hey, hi. Firstly, let me get this straight. I'm not here for anything other than casual friendship. My sister insists me to create an account since I find her Tinder bullshit. Might delete later. Bye.
बट डिलीट लेटर के बाद उसमें भी स्माइली इमोजी
I think Pavitra will take any feedback with emoji, right? Right? और funny बनना.
See? I'm not offended.
Hey there. Hey Karen. So tell me about yourself. You have 3 messages to seriously catch my interest. This is how I weed out all the boring melons on Tinder. Lol. Fuck. Oh man, the pressure. Oh shit, that was already a message. Oh man, you're gonna make this one count then. Wow, that was very
Nice.
good. Well done.
Good.
Talking to Karen.
कैरन के लिए तो चल जाएगा.
मैं इमोजी अगर डाल देते तो
है ना, कैरन ने तो यूज किया है. और हमारे भाई साहब ने तो
2
मतलब
बार.
चीख के बात किया है. उसने कैप्स लॉक में लिखा है सब कुछ. Oh shit, that was already like.
वो तो परफॉर्म कर रहा बेचारा।
Haha, good one, Pavitra. When do you want to take out the trash? It's me. I'm the trash. Just remember that it doesn't make you any less amazing or capable. It's a trash can, not a trash cannot. Oh!
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Please be married.
Yeah.
इनकी-
So cute. Kachra and Kachri, dude. So sweet.
कचरा
Kachra and Kachri.
Lagan part 2 is coming, guys.
Want to plant tulips? I would love that. Wow. You would love to plant tulips around my dick. I hate men.
Oh man, beautiful. What an emotion. I didn't think it would be so direct, you know, from tulips to hey, suck my dick now. फूल पसंद है? मेरे कांटे देखोगी?
Yeah, the escalation is like, तुम जब से मेरी जिंदगी में आए, मेरी जिंदगी बहार बन गई. Oh, such a nice. लड़ देखेगी क्या तू?
मुझे मौत चाहिए.
मुझे मौत चाहिए. Tell me a fun fact about yourself. I have type 1 diabetes.
Oh.
That's
Yeah.
kind of sweet.
Well, very interesting. I'm 23% deaf. About to be 50% after I'm more in your years. Oh, damn.
Oh, भाई साहब.
यार,
Don't know if,
Diabetes is definitely not affecting her vocal cords.
हॉस्पिटल के रिसेप्शन पे चैट हो रही है या?
if a fat man in a red suit kidnaps you, don't worry. I might have told Santa I want you for Christmas. I fucking hope that a fat sack of shit tries with me. 23 years of skipping my house because he's an anti-Semite. For Christmas, I want vengeance. Oh my God. Not gonna lie, I've spent the last 22 hours trying to think of a joke involving the name Tuesday. I just can't come up with one. I guess it just isn't my day. 22 hours and that's the best you've got? Your parents had the whole week and that's the best they came up with. Dude, why would you
Too
call
good.
your child Tuesday? Actually, to be fair, Mangal is also like a
Yeah,
desi name.
Mangal Pandey.
Yeah, we never had issues with that.
Yeah.
ये तो ऐसा
और
लग रहा है कि हिंदी में तो 7 लोगों को ढूंढ के ही नाम रख दिए थे।
नाम रखे हाँ.
तेरा क्या नाम है? रवि। तो ये
रविवार है.
रवि.
आज का दिन तेरा नाम रवि. Yeah.
दिन तुम्हारा होगा, साल मेरा.
Would you like to have sex with your clone? Fast, yes. Easy. Smart choice. I'd have sex with your clone too.
Oh.
Fastest. What would you say fastest to?
In Delhi, there is a slang, no? तुरंत से पहले.
हाँ.
Ah, तुरंत से पहले. Oh, I love that. तुरंत से
Yeah.
पहले वीडियो पे like दबाओ और comment करो. Why did the shrimp not like to share? Why? He was a little shellfish. Harsh, some are big.
Harsh.
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 If you think shrimp are big, this just might work. Dude, Harsh is a smart guy. Are you vasopressin? You just sent my heart rate through the roof. Oh.
What is vasopressin?
It's something that sends your heart rate through the roof.
Yeah.
You matched with my roommate and said the same thing. We love the hustle. I'm laughing out loud. Tell her I said hi. My other roommate who you also matched with says hi too. Well, we should all get a cup of coffee and catch up tomorrow.
How I Met Your Mother and her roommate and her other roommate also.
Send nudes as opening line. Wow. Lamau, Tinder just asked me if you sent any appropriate messages. Lamafao, Tinder knows. Yeah, watch this. Send nudes. It didn't work. Damn, maybe it knows you're the creepy one. You know, you have a really contagious smile. Your dick probably contagious. Hey, that's not my fault. Your mom said she was clean.
Boys. Hey, but she started it.
हाँ exactly. हाँ इसमें तो
So
बेचारा.
I think
और शायद क्या पता वो उसके मम्मी के साथ एक्चुअल में सोया हो. Maybe it's honest. Like who are we to judge?
you should just sit with this emoticon.
Yeah,
you know?
just, Pavi,
I'm
just sit with this.
Yeah, just sit
Just
with
sit
this.
with this. Oh, my mom's dead. Guess that explains why she didn't say much. Oh, this is a good one. Lauren, I must have dyslexia because I think you're unreal. Wow, that's a great
Lauren.
opening line. Sir, you have outdone yourself with that one.
Sir, I didn't get this.
Lauren.
Lauren का
and unreal.
spelling
Oh!
anagram है Lauren.
Oh!
Yeah.
ऐश्वर्या आकाश को बिठा के करेगी मेरे
हाँ.
नाम का बना.
Yeah.
Titanic. Titani. Titan. Tita. Tit. Yes, please. That is not where I intended this to go. Well, I did, but not so fast.
From Titanic to Tit if you're coming.
Yeah.
Well, that's what happened in the Titanic movie also.
That's
so.
fair.
Yeah.
Hey, I had a good time today. Keen to meet up again if you're up for it. Hey, thanks. It was nice to meet you. I don't think we have enough in common to pursue a romantic connection.
Would you prefer this or would you prefer ghosting?
I would prefer this. Just a
Right?
direct
Same.
listen, time waste mat kar. This is not working.
This will hurt me for half an hour, but at least I won't be thinking about him at my wedding.
I'm leaving work soon. Where do you work? I'm a mortuary aide at a funeral home. Oh, how's that? It's pretty dead most days. Fuck one, kill one, marry one. Me, Hitler, and me again. It's a very good line.
So good.
Yeah.
And
Kill
this
you,
guy-
fuck you, marry Hitler. In that order. What? Kill you first?
वेल डन तालियां होनी चाहिए यार हमारे लिए.
Are you into roleplay at all? You can be California's poorly managed forests and I can be a wildfire. I'm so dry and full of untrimmed bush. I mean, he asked for it. Are you actually real? We've been trying to reach you regarding your car's extended warranty. What?
इंडिया में वड़ा पाव है वहाँ पे सीधा कार का वारंटी चल यही रहा है.
Excuse me, miss, have you ever been arrested? Yeah, how could you tell? I was gonna say it's illegal to be that cute, but now I'm curious.
ऑडियंस
Yes.
में नहीं होती है जो जोक खराब कर देती है.
Yeah.
I did that once. I was hosting and I asked an audience member, ki, how many parents do you have? Because I thought it's a normal question. You know, people will say 2 parents, everyone has 2 parents. And this person says, my parents are dead. That's when I was like, oh, why didn't I think of this? This is such a normal thing.
Were you able to save that situation?
No.
You
I
just-
called up the next comic. I was like, you do it now.
Just like, this is Aishwarya Mohan Raj. My job was to warm you guys up, and you guys are warm as fuck. Please give it up for the main act.
His mom is cold as fuck. You are warm as fuck.
Activate red receipt. Girls, for you, I'm a simp. For others, I'm suck. Will you be my Modi? I'll be your Bhakt. Nahi re, hum Atmanirbhar hai. Atmanirbhar is basically a way to say apna haath Jagannath, but even more cleaner. Self-sufficient. Hi. Hey, Shikha, pickup line or pun? Pin? I'm Shikha, housewife from Janakpuri. What? First, it looks like Shika's surname is housewife, dude. Like, this is how our phone number gets saved. मोहल्ले में सारे अंकलों का
Shika
phone ना Shika housewife. I can't agree more, but I heard OKC is not encrypted and Modi can read our chats too. So can we talk more about this on encrypted apps like WhatsApp or Telegram? Okay, WhatsApp number.
सर अभी वो दल्ला निकलेगा.
In Hindi, Carly means did you buy a car? Oh really? Yes. Also, if I'm waiting outside a toilet and someone is shitting inside, I can knock and ask Carly, which means are you done? तो बेचारी एयर होस्टेस होगी जो फ्लाइट के लिए इंडिया आई होगी 4 दिन के लिए. सोची कि लेट मी ट्राई exotic Indian men. Maybe I can speak to some of them. Cut to him saying, if you're taking shit and someone says your name.
And after that, every time Carly shits in India, it's going to be tough because someone will say Carly, and she's like, no, that's not Carly. This is like identity.
By the way, do you like puns? I love Pune. Why?
Why is nobody getting this? Why is everyone like Pin, Pune?
Just want to know more about. Okay, cool. So, what do you want to know about me? Yes, you tell everything. No, like what you want to say. First of all, please stop talking to me like that. Question mark. अरे दीदी माफ करो हमसे ना हो पाए. Hey, I've sent complaint to Google Maps for not listing you as best place to eat out. Actually, I was listed, but then I moved to Kashmir.
F in chat.
All right. What did we think about that? Did we learn something?
जो नंबर देता है वो दल्ला है.
What is this phrasing? Yeah, it's so good. जो number देता है वो दल्ला है.
Thank you very much for joining us on this episode, friends. See you next time. Follow all of them on Instagram and ciao.
तो ये वीडियो यहाँ पे ख़त्म होता. बहुत 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 अच्छा वीडियो था. मुझे कुछ मतलब जो जोक से नहीं समझ में आया, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, मैं वापस देखूँगा, वापस समझूंगा वीडियो. जोक और बाकी का बहुत 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 अच्छा था. आप लोगों को कैसा लगा गाइस बताना. मैं तन्मय भट्ट क्लास वीडियो रहता है.